friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Chillin, Chilli, and Swag Soda Valentine's Day edition from Brainrot. And don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started by splitting our paper in half with the heart that they're each holding together. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line up and out on the left. And then from the center, we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now from here for the hand, we're just going to draw in an oval on a diagonal for the first finger on each side. Let's move down in the middle, replicating that. Let's move down again one more time, drawing in our last oval for the pinky. And now let's close off the heart. So continuing this through underneath, we're just going to curve this around and through towards the center on a diagonal. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, joining that together at a point. Now let's move up and we're going to give each of them heart eye glasses. So we're going to leave a gap in the middle again, stepping over on the left hand side, curving this around and down. And then on the left hand side, we're just going to replicate this, curving this around and down, joining that at a point. We're going to leave a gap again, curving this around and down towards the bottom. And then again, we'll do the exact same thing on the left hand side as well. We'll connect this together in the middle with two curved lines. Now let's step in towards the middle in the glasses. We're going to draw in another heart. So leaving a gap on the outside, curving this line in. And then again from that point, curving this back around and down on a diagonal, connecting that together. Let's come down for the mouth. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then we'll close this off with a nice big arch line. Let's draw on the tongue. So we're going to, in the middle, curve this up and over. And then coming through on the right hand side, curving that back across. And then now let's draw the teeth on the top with another curved line from left to right. Now let's draw in Chillin Chilli's body. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this around and down on the right. And then stepping up slightly on this line, we're going to curve this over and through on the side. Now on the top, let's arch this line up and down. And then from that point, just curving this around and in on the left-hand side. Let's move across. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line down, in, and through towards the bottom. And then again, from that point, we're just going to curve this back up on a diagonal. We're going to continue to pull this through underneath the glasses there. And now let's draw on the left arm. So we're going to curve this line out. Above that, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up. Now let's come down, bending the arm. We're going to curve this down and back through, ending that at the same distance there. Now for the thumb, stepping in, curving this around, arching that over and back in. Let's draw on the pointer finger, bringing this up, rounding that out, pulling that back down. In the center, curving this over and through. And then again, rounding out, again, that finger, pulling that in. Now let's draw on the pinky coming up. So we're going to curve this line up and down. And then from that point, just curving this back around and in, leaving a gap in the middle. Now let's draw on the legs. So on the inside, we're going to bring this line out and down on a diagonal. We'll do the exact same thing on the top, but just ending that on a diagonal as well. Now let's step over, replicating that. So for the inside line, bringing this out and down, ending that at the same height. And then again, moving through on the top, replicating that, ending that on a diagonal. Let's close off the tongue of the shoe. Stepping out, we're going to round this out, curving this over and in. And now let's close this off with a curved line, pulling that back through in the inside corner. Let's close off the shoe. We're going to round this out, pulling this down on the bottom. Now underneath, curving this across. And then we're going to curve this in towards the tongue of the shoe. Now let's move up for the sole of the shoe, curving this line across. And then on the front, we're just going to arch this back, around, and across. Now let's move over and draw in swag soda. So we're going to line these glasses up at the same height, leaving a gap. We're going to curve this around and in, creating another heart. And then from the middle again, stepping across, let's replicate that. Pulling that through right in the middle. Let's leave another gap, stepping over, curving this around, pulling that back in. And then again, one more time, arching this around and back down. Now in the center of that heart, we're going to replicate that again, curving this in. And then from the middle, just curving this back out and down in the center. Let's draw in the mouth. So coming underneath, again, another curved line. Let's close this off with a nice big arch line. And then let's close off the teeth, curving that back across. For the tongue in the center, curving that over. And then on the right-hand side, just pulling that through. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in a slight curved line, pulling that over on both sides. And then on the left and right-hand side, just pulling this line straight down. We're going to bring this back through on the side, and we'll bring this further down on the right. Now from that heart, we're going to curve this across, connecting that in the corner. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we move up from the bottom. Let's move up on the side. So we're going to curve this line up on the left and right-hand side for the top of that soda can. And then again, we're just going to curve this line over towards the right. Moving in on the top, we're going to draw in two curved diagonal lines, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close this off with another curved line. In the middle now, let's draw in a square. And now let's draw in the pattern. So coming down, we're going to curve this line up and over. It's moving up again, curving this out, down, and in towards that hand. Let's move up again. We're going to curve this down and in towards the heart. Now let's move up, and we're going to curve this line down and in towards the glasses. And then we're just going to pull it through towards the side of the mouth. Moving up again, down and back through, curving that over. And then one more time up above, just curving that in towards the top. And now let's draw on the arm on the right-hand side. So we're going to draw another diagonal line coming out. Stepping below that, drawing this diagonal line coming up. Now for the thumb, we're going to curve this around and in. Let's draw on that pointer finger, tucking this up, around, and back down. In the center, curving this in. And moving over again, replicating that. Let's draw in the pinky, curving this up, pulling that back down. And then rounding out the hand, we're just going to arch this around and then back in. Now let's close off the arm. We're going to bring this out and then back up on the side. And now let's draw in the leg. So from the middle, stepping across, we're going to curve this line down on each side. We'll step up, replicating that, ending that on a diagonal. Let's draw on the tongue of the shoe, curving this around and in. And then we're going to close this off in the back, curving that over. Let's close off the back of the shoe here. We're going to curve this down. We're going to arch this line out, bringing this around and up towards the top. Close off the sole of the shoe, arching this back over again. And then on the front, we're just going to curve this line down. And that is it. That's how you draw Chillin' Chili and Swag Soda, Valentine's Day edition. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.